This is our Jelly Belly Geology lesson. Materials for this one are pretty simple. You need the Jelly Belly key, and then you need a small set of jelly beans that are the flavors that come off of the key. So if you can buy these in bulk at somewhere like Fred Meyer's or off of Amazon, rather than getting the big mix pack, you're going to be better off to make sure that the kids are successful. So this is basic introduction to dichotomous keys, so understanding, classifying, and sorting and identifying. Really anything. We use this to kick off a rock unit, but you could use it with plants and forestry as well. So how this works is you would give the students a bag of a handful of jelly beans, and they will pick one out, identify the color, which is the most obvious or simple characteristic. And then the two science words that they would need to know for this, the first one is opaque, or that light cannot go through it. And the other one is translucent, and that light can go through it. So they would start with their color and ask themselves, is my jelly bean opaque or is it translucent? So if I hold it up to the light, can I see any light coming through it? Yes, I can. So it is translucent. So I would say it's translucent. It is light in color, so this one must be orange. And then I would leave it there, and I would go on to the next one. So this one is blue in color, so come down here to blue. Is it opaque or is it translucent? Again, I would hold it up to the light. I would see that light can come through it, so it is translucent. So I would say it is translucent, and therefore it is blue ice. Some of them are slightly more complicated, so if you have a pink jelly bean, you would actually start as red, since pink is a shade of red, and ask yourself, is it red or is it pink? This one's pink. Then I would ask myself, does it have spots or no spots? This one has spots, so I'd come up here, come across, are they red spots or are they colored spots? These are red spots, so over here to strawberry cheesecake. Once they have all the jelly beans sitting on the flavor that they think they are, then they can taste test to see if they're right or wrong. So that does not mean wipe all the jelly beans off the page and just start eating jelly beans, because that would defeat the purpose. What that means is they would take turns if you're doing this in teams, and one of them would say, okay, we think this one is orange in flavor. Taste it, see if they're right or wrong, mark it right or wrong, and then their partner would go on and taste the next one to see if they were right or wrong. Then they can total how many are correct or incorrect at the top. And again, it's a very basic demo or introduction into using dichotomous keys to identify and classify items.